So I met another people. The first step.
That was a very busy albergue. Cramped conditions. We're expecting a lot of rain today. It's about 7:20. And we got about 18 kilometers today. And boy, did we have snorers. Oh my God. Was really stuffy last night, like no circulation. You can feel the humidity in the air with all the condensation and everybody's wet clothes. You just run into the same people over and over and over again. It means you're pretty much walking the same pace, and they're kind of like your little communal family. So, like I was saying, it was so damp in the room last night. None of my clothes were able to dry. I'm not walking in wet clothes. So this morning I threw in, because the dryer was free this morning, I threw in my load of semi-damp clothes and mistakenly threw in my vest. One zip pocket had my wireless microphone. There it was, spinning in the dryer, hot. But luckily I had zipped the pocket up and all the bits stayed where they were. 2 microphones and then the dongler, whatever you call it, dongle that goes on your phone. I think it's okay. And Mr. Costello, I'm so sorry I didn't light your candle yesterday, but I could not get up out of my bed because my feet hurt and it was cold and I was under my warm blanket. But we'll find a nice hot tortilla in the next town, stick that candle in there. I'm gonna say happy birthday to you because you're the man. Okay, Torres del Rio is 1 kilometer away. I'm just leaving Sansol. They had a nice mini market, but that was overflowing with pilgrims waiting at the door to get in, and it looked small, so we're just gonna go to the next town. It has not started raining yet. Okay, there's our destination, and the rain is letting up, but I did have some fun in the mud. Albergue Izar, 30 meters